Distance formula review video. So this video is showing you how to use the distance formula to find the distance between 2 points. So in order to use this formula, and the formula is read as d equals the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. In order to use this, we need to be given 2 points. So let's say, for example, I'm given the points 0, -5, and -5, 7. So I want to know what is the distance between these 2 points by using this distance formula. First, I need to identify my x1, x2, y1, and y2. So the 1 and the 2 are referring to the first and second point. So I know that x comes first in every point, which would mean 0 is x1 and -5 is x2. As for my y's, I know that the y's come second in a coordinate point, and my 1 is going to represent the y from the first point, and my 2, the y from the second point. Now I'm going to start plugging in. So x2 in this case is -5, and I'm going to subtract x1 from that. x1 is 0, so 0. I have my squared, and I'm going to bring down the plus sign. Now I'm going to plug in my y's. According to my points on the right, y2 is 7, and I'm going to subtract y1, which is -5, from the 7. And I still need to square the entire thing, and I can't forget that my square root still exists. Okay. Now I need to solve. And in order to solve, I have to follow the PEMDAS order. So from the top, the first P stands for parentheses. So I need to solve within the parentheses. So that means I'm going to subtract 0 from -5, or -5 minus 0, which is just -5. Bringing down my squared, bringing down my plus sign, and I need to again address the parentheses here. 7 minus -5, 2 negatives together create a plus. So 7 plus 5 is actually 12. And I can't forget my squared. And of course my square root is still here, equals D. Okay, now that I dealt with P from PEMDAS parentheses, the next one is E, exponents. So I'm going to apply the exponents. Each case here, which would be -5 squared, or in other words, -5 times -5 is just 25. And I'm going to add that to 12 squared, again, which is 12 times 12, which is 144. And my square root is still here, equals distance. The only thing left to do here is to add. There's no multiplication or division. So now I'm going to add 25 and 144. Well, 25 plus 144 is 169. My square root symbol is still here. And so D equals, or the distance between these 2 points, actually equals the square root of 169. And the square root of 169 is 13. So the distance between these 2 points is 13.